What's going on, guys, and welcome to a very special Friday edition of Night Moves. I'm IndieXP, and we're coming to you again on Friday, March 20th, 2020. Let's go ahead and take a look and see how the markets ended up the week and how we're going to be sliding on into the weekend. JM Bullion is reporting that gold ended the week at 1502.14. Silver ended the week at 1281, giving us a ratio of 117.28. Platinum closed up today, closing out the week at 618.21, and palladium closed down today under $1,700. It closed out at 1696.33. Rhodium held steady today at $5,000. Copper closed out the week at $2.18, and aluminum closed at 72 cents. Barrels of crude oil had a rough day. At one point in intraday trading, it was under $20 a barrel. It had a little bit of a rally right at the closing bell, currently at $23.64 a barrel. We saw losses in all three markets in what looked like potentially could be a pretty good day. Ultimately, we had some sell-offs. The Dow Jones closed down 913 points, closing out the week at 17173.98. The NASDAQ closed down 271 points, closing out the week at 79.58. And the S&P 500 closed down 104.5 points, closing the week out at 2304.92. Bitcoin showed some promise today. It was up as high as $6,900, but it did close down ultimately, or it's down for the day, I should say. The sun never sets on the Bitcoin empire, I suppose. Bitcoin's currently 6106.95, and if you trade in the gold back, it is currently $2.74. So something fun that I thought we would do this evening. Go ahead and switch gears here. Something that we haven't seen for a while. It's the big board. It's the big board. Oh, how we miss the big board sometimes. Gave us that nice little snapshot. So the last time we actually showed the big board was on February 5th of this year. And, well, the climate in the world has certainly changed in that time. I thought it'd be fun to go ahead and take a look at the big board. This is from 6 weeks ago. Just to kind of get an idea of how we're faring. So let's go ahead and take a look. Gold was, 1557.34, so it's down. Gold's only down maybe 60 bucks, maybe, almost. $55. Silver was at $17.75, if you can believe it. So it's down almost $5. That's a huge hit. Obviously, that's closing in on 30%. Our ratio 6 weeks ago was 87.73. That obviously is huge because right now the ratio is 30 points higher. Yikes. Yowza. So, and of course, all that difference came from right here on silver. Platinum was at 988. Whoa, boy. Ooh. So it's down more than 33%. Palladium, yikes, 24.92. So it's down $800 almost from where it was. Rhodium was at 10,500, so it's down 50% in just the last 6 weeks. Of course, we know that rhodium actually got it to like 14,000, 13,500 at one point. So copper was at $2.64. So boy, let's see. Copper's currently at 217, so it's lost 45 cents. Barrels of crude oil. Whoa, yikes. 51.99 is where we were 6 weeks ago. So it has lost well over, right at 50%, over 50%, really. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Bitcoin was at 95.70. We already talked about Bitcoin? We might already talk about Bitcoin. No, we did. We talked about rhodium. Bitcoin was at 95.70. So, we've lost $3,000 there, over $3,000. So that's a 33% loss as well. The Dow Jones and the NASDAQ. Whew. So the Dow Jones was at 29,290.85 that day. So it is down 10,000 points. Whew. The NASDAQ was at 95.08, so it's lost 2,300 points. No, 3,300 points. Close to 3,000, 2,800 points. Yeah. So yeah, we used to talk about these up here. We don't really get into the conversion rates anymore. So I have not checked those, but let's just actually, while we're talking about, I got it pulled up here. We can look at it here. Let's see. What app did we use for that? I haven't used it in so long. Let's see. The euro conversion rate right now is 9.23. The Canadian dollar is $1.42. The British pound is 8.38. That's all I got on there now. So, not even sure what app I used for that nowadays. So as you can see, it's a little depressing from where we were just 6 weeks ago. So it'll turn around eventually, guys. Don't worry. So Stacker 2020. Hey, look at that! Congratulations. You got that still on that Big Stacker shout out. I wish I could find a way to effectively add the Big Stacker shout out into my videos that I do now. I'm still trying to figure that out, so I hope to bring that segment back sometime for you guys in the future. So I really hope everybody has tried to have a great week. Obviously, I've had a rough week sitting inside. I finally got to go outside today, took a trip over to the office, got some IT work done on my laptop. They sprayed it down with light. I mean, I sat in my car, handed my laptop through the car window to a guy that was wearing gloves and had paper towels and Lysol ready to go. So they were not messing around. And got another week to go. So 1 week in, one more to go. We'll see how I'm feeling in a week, I guess. So, guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you. And if you happen to appreciate old Indie XP, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button there in the corner. And if you happen to be new to the independent experience, go ahead and consider smashing that subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner. Bing bong, so you can be notified of when new content is coming out. I've been Indie XP from the Independent Experience, and I'm here once again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.